Hey, good morning. It's Tony talking CarBiz. Today, we're going to take a look at this brand new 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport double cab long bed 4x4 with a lot of great a lot of great factory installed accessories. So I'm going to dive in. I'll show you the factory accessories that were installed on this vehicle, some of the things you might want to consider adding to your Tacoma if you're buying a new one, or you can get them through the parts department and your local Toyota dealer can add those to your existing Tacoma. So let's dive in and I'll show you what I found. Okay, let's take a quick look at it. Up front, the TRD Sport does come standard with the halogen fog lights, projector style headlights, which are also halogen, a matte black or a charcoal gray finish on your front grille. One of the things that makes the Sport different than an off-road is this lower valance. So on an off-road, that's not going to be there because you don't want to take it off as you go off-road. But on a Sport, it adds to the aerodynamics of the vehicle. And the bumper's all painted, colored to match on the Sport. Up on the hood, you do get the hood scoop. This is a faux hood scoop, meaning it does not open into the engine, but it adds to the aggressive look of the vehicle. And if you want it to go into the engine, go ahead, get out your Sawzall, cut a hole in your hood. That's up to you. It will void your warranty, of course. The wheels on here, these are a 17-inch cast aluminum wheel, piano black finish in the center, painted and then brushed aluminum around the edge. These tires are designed to be a combination on-road, off-road, so they ride smooth and they're quiet on-road, but I would not use them for aggressive off-road driving. You might want to go with the TRD off-road for that. Coming down to the side, some of the accessories that were pre-installed. One of them is the blackout package, which includes black badging on the front and the rear, and I'll show you that as we go around. Mirrors are colored to match, collapsible in and out. And then we do have your turn signals or your indicators right here in the mirrors. Those are LED. Colored to match door handles. The color on this one is silver sky, I'm sorry. This luggage rack is a factory accessory, and you can see it's very, very durable. When you get the luggage rack, you also get the matte black finish on your shark fin antenna. So that luggage rack up there is only $399, and then the blackout package is $415. And then this one does have the factory installed Mudguards, and those are $129. So some of your accessories down the side of the vehicle, blackout package, mud flaps, and the factory roof rack. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see that we do have, as part of the blackout package, the black exhaust tip, factory mud guards, TRD 4x4 Sport decals. We do have a tinted rear window with a power sliding window, cargo light, and there you see that shark fin antenna. And then this one does have the factory installed tonneau cover. That's a hard tonneau cover, and a factory version will read Tacoma right on there. On your tailgate, it is locking, which if you lock this, you also lock this, and you've got some secure storage. There's a backup camera right here, and then more of the black package includes this Tacoma badging here and the V6 badging there. So 415, all your badges are blacked out. This one does have this step bumper, which is lighted. And then of course we have the Class 3 trailer towing hitch, okay, receiver, and we have a 4-pin and a 7-pin power port. So you're all set to go for towing. And then we also make sure we have a full-size spare tire. There's a quick look at the undercarriage. And then we'll go ahead and drop that tailgate down. It's a slow tailgate, so it doesn't just drop right down. The composite bed, which is scratch resistant, tie down hooks right here. There's a power port over here, and a small storage compartment right there. And we do have the rack or the rail system as well. Don't know if you can see it up there. So a number of nice accessories on this one. The tonneau cover, blackout package, factory mud guards, and the factory roof rack. Again, a double cab long bed, so that's a 6-foot bed, 4x4, of course a V6. Great looking vehicle. That luggage rack really changes the style of the vehicle. So there you go. Hey, if you like my video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. If you want more like this, go ahead and subscribe. Really appreciate that. This is Tony talking CarBiz. Thanks for watching.